Rolly, you want to have some candy? I don't think it's a good idea. Yeah, let's go have some candy. Na na na. Getting all the candy. Getting all the candy. Na 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 na. Oh, right here. Can you see it? Really tempting. Yum 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 yum.
What are these little wrappers? Let's go see. Bingo, what are you doing, Dad Candy? Those are the ones that I always eat. Bingo, you get it? Like a candy. Bingo has one candy. And well, you get the wider candy. Because I know you like this. Good boys.
But I thought you said they can't have candy because they'll get cavities.
But you can have two candies. You can have one candy, one candy. You can have one candy a day.
And what happens if you eat too many candies? What will happen?
You get cavities.
Let's see what candy they're having today. Oh, it looks like they actually had a whole bunch of candy. Oh my, they're gonna need to brush their teeth. But we need to find someone that can help them.
Me?
Do you think you can?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be wonderful.
Bingo's eating this candy and Roy's eating this candy.
All right.
Cavities are little bugs that eat your teeth.
And does it hurt?
It hurts a lot.
Oh my goodness. Let me see your mouth. Do you have any? Why don't you have any cavities?
I don't.
Why? Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yeah.
Let's brush your teeth, guys. Bingo and Rolly. We do not want to find you guys in the candy bin again.
I'm going to put paste on it just for pretend.
Just for pretend?
Yeah.
Okay, show us what paste you have.
Lemon.
Lemon toothpaste. Perfect for brushing their teeth.
Do you like lemons, Mom? There you go.
So tell us, how do you brush your teeth? You gotta get the front, the back, the sides.
Bingo.
What is he doing? Is he spitting? Cleaning his tongue?
There you go. You're free to go. He jumped off the counter. Now
Cool.
it's Roy's turn.
Rolly's turn.
But after, what's it? Okay. Paste on it. Here we go.
He has one tooth that sticks out. Show him where the tooth is. Right there, you gotta brush it.
Spit, boy. You still go. You're free to go.
All right.
Today I'm going to teach you to brush how you brush your teeth. This is my toothbrush, and it's orange.
Where's it orange?
It's orange.
Oh, just the Nemo character.
It's orange and blue, like my favorite colors.
And what color is this?
Green.
Awesome.
Yellow.
Is there anything special about your toothbrush?
I don't think so.
Yeah, look, click the button. Let's find out. Wow.
I'm using lemon today. What's the paste?
You gotta get in the front, get the back. Gotta scrub them. Scrub it. It's super important to brush your teeth every day so you don't get cavities.
Now then, what's in my teeth? My teeth are flossing queen.
Let me see. Nice. You wanna show us your super cool moves when you jump?
Yeah.
All right.
And please like it and subscribe and please watch my channel to like it.
Woo-woo! Whoa! Wow! what you call awesome moves, Sai. All right, let's race to bed. On your mark, get set, go!
Happy power!
Hop in Mommy's bed.
Hi, Ron. Do you want to go eat some candy? I don't think it's a good idea. It's too late already. No, we should go eat some candy. Come on.
All right.
Boy, you want to have some candy today? No, it's too late. No, we always brush our teeth. No, we always brush our teeth. Let's go to bed. Yeah.
Making good choices.